And for those bad guys, we call them, who don't stick on the advices that we give them or the guidelines before the scalp micro done or after. So how important is to stick with the advices that we really give you all the time before your treatment?
First of all, before 24 hours, we advise our client not to do tanning or caffeine, alcohol, and take good rest.
From a medical perspective, why do we advise that, Dale?
Well, let's say because when you are intoxicated with alcohol or with caffeine or any like blood thinning like aspirin medications, so it thins the blood as it's defined, and it makes it more hard or difficult during the process, to reduce like swelling or bleeding. And we also advise them to not go too much with activities. We want them to have like full rest. And actually, the most important advice that I would add is hydration, because hydration is the most important thing for the skin integrity. So at least also when the pigment will subside, it will be as perfect as it is. When we do our part in giving the result, it's always the part of the clients to be very strict on themselves in order for them to enjoy, make the service more like pleasing, because if you have full rest, you have light meal as what we send to our full guidelines, it will make the process more smoother.
The more that you are helping us to help you, so that is going to make the things easy on everyone. Sticking with the guidelines that we give you can affect you directly in two important things. First of all, the overall result. Secondly, while he's working during the session, the more that you avoid that, your bleeding will be a lot less and your pain tolerance will be a lot more high. So your calmness is going to help the outcome, because remember that we are using small needle and we are working around the pores. So we have to create certain density in somewhere. If something goes wrong in many different times, then you're going to find the spots here and there. That is very important for the before.